Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Study. I'm Nidhi and in this video I'm going to tell you how to declutter your desk. Now most of us have a desk at our workplace or a study table at home, and you know the fact it is piled up all the time, filled with lots of things related to study, not related to study, and lot other household items. So I'm going to tell you the A to D of how you can declutter your desk by just seeing these few steps. So organizing and decluttering does not require so much of time. What it requires is a proper mindset. If you have a proper mindset and the will to declutter, then will you be able to clean your desk and declutter it. The A of declutter is to arrange the items. Now for this one I have a really short and sweet principle. It is PEEP. Place for everything and everything in place. Place for everything. Everything in your desk should have a proper place. And then everything you can keep on that particular place. So it's very simple. B for declutter is to bifurcate the material based on subject and type. Let's say you are a student, so you can bifurcate your material for different subjects. Let's say math, science, languages, or whatever it is. If you are a working professional, then you can bifurcate your material based on the items done, left, or whatever the type it is. By doing bifurcation, what will happen is you'll come to know that okay, this thing is over here, this thing is here, and you will be able to access them literally very quickly. The C of declutter is to have a cleanup routine. I'm not going to tell you that go and clean every morning. No, that is literally not possible, okay, for most of us at least. So you can have a cleanup routine. This routine may be once a week or twice a week, depending on what kind of cleanliness you are aiming to. So have a cleanup routine. I have one. I'll link the one in the YouTube description box. You can download that cleanup routine and follow that cleanup routine. You can make your own cleanup routine also. Once a month is also great, but that means you are keeping your desk very well organized the other times. Okay, and the last D for declutter is not to dump. Don't dump. Have a motto. I am not going to put random things on my desk. I'm not going to allow others to put random things on my desk. Have this kind of motto, and this will help you to keep your desk clean and organized. So these were some easy principles, and you know what, even if you keep your desk clean and organized, it will give you a kind of motivation to work, a motivation to study. You have a clean surrounding, so you will feel much more happy about it. And you can even put a quote, or you can keep this ABCD in front of you, in front of your desk, and that will remind you to keep your desk organized and clean. I upload videos every Wednesday and Friday. Next week I have a very interesting video coming up, so keep watching this space. Thank you for watching.